I just landed in Vegas and I'm really excited because I'm going to meet my friend Katie, who's a local here, and she says she's going to show me a side of Vegas I've never seen before. Hey, Katie.
Okay, so we're at Vesta Coffee in downtown Las Vegas in the Arts District, and since today is all about the best, I went ahead and ordered you the best cup of coffee in town. But I got a lot planned for us today, and we got to get going, so go ahead and drink up, because let's get out of here.
Cheers. All right, Katie, where to first?
So since we're in the Arts District, I figured we'd get straight to the heart of it, and I'm gonna take you to the Arts Factory, which you're gonna love. There's about 26 different studios with modern artists, contemporary artists. Anyway, it's a great representation of Las Vegas art.
What do you like about the Arts Factory?
It's a community. It's just a bunch of artists gathered, and we help each other out, and we critique each other's work, and then, you know, good for networking, good for friendship, good for life, good for the soul.
So next up, I want to take you to one of my favorite restaurants, Esther's Kitchen.
Nice.
We have reservations though in about 15 minutes, and we're meeting one of my good friends. So
Awesome, I'm hungry.
You're gonna love this place.
How are you?
Hey, how are you?
These are ricotta nudis. So what we're doing right here is we're extruding the lasagnetta. This is the best strawberry you're ever going to have ever. Picked yesterday. This is hamachi from Japan. Our whole entire ethos of cuisine is that we're going to use the highest quality product available. People here in this neighborhood are craftsmen and artisans. I'm just happy to be, part of this neighborhood. It's amazing. This is real Vegas.
Okay, I know you're super stuffed, but there's a bar that's actually right here that I've been wanting to check out called Jammyland. They're supposed to have awesome drinks, so you in the mood?
Yes, let's go.
Yeah? Okay.
Cool.
Hello. Hi guys. Welcome
Hey.
to Jammyland.
Thanks.
How are you? What do you think of Jammyland?
Oh, it's really cool here. I like it a lot.
How do you feel?
I'm good. Where are we headed next?
I'm not gonna tell you. You're just gonna have to find out. There's a lot of locals. It's a great scene. You're just trust me.
Okay, let's go.
Right now, we're in my favorite bar, ReBAR, and the cool thing about this place is it's not only a bar, but it's also an antique shop, so everything you see is for sale.
Literally, that sign is for sale. If you want to buy that sign,
How much for the
it's
sign?
for sale. That right there, we paid like $1,600 to make it. We'd sell it for like $2,200. We have $3 mystery bags here, so you can come in. You get a brown bag that has a mystery beer in it. You don't know what it is, and it's just $3. We've got the Funkyard behind us, so we always have local music playing.
That place is awesome. What if I wanted this chair? Is this chair for sale? And then I saw...
We'd sell that. Yeah, everything. Hey, we always say even the bar's for sale.
Even the bar.
For the right price.
We had a blast tonight. That was a lot of fun. Thanks,
like the
Katie,
Arts
for showing me the arts. Oh my God, it was amazing.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah, super cool.
Cool. Well, we're finally gonna put this thing away. Call it a night.
Yeah, throwing the camera away and gonna go have some more fun.
All right. Till next time.
See you.